So today I'm going to show you how to add a debit card or credit card onto your PayPal account. So we're actually here on our PayPal account in real time. Our home tab is highlighted over here on the bottom left-hand side. Now there are a couple of ways to get to this point to go ahead and add this card on file. So keep that in mind as we go through this. One of the easiest ways is over here on the right-hand side next to the home tab is going to be your accounts tab. Let's go ahead and click on this. And right over here, it takes you to your accounts. And here towards the very top where you actually see the word accounts, underneath that, you're going to see where it says add banks and cards. Let's click on this. This is going to bring up a pop-up menu here towards the very bottom where you can go ahead and add banks or your debit and credit cards. And since we're adding a debit card here for today, we're going to click on the middle option. And from here, you can go ahead and either scan your card, enter your card, or you can even log into your issuing bank. Any of these three options can work. Obviously, the last one, you won't need your physical card on hand. But since we have all of our card information, we're going to go ahead and click over in the center where it says enter your card information. So from here on the top right, you're actually going to see where it still says scan. And then in the center, it's going to have your card number that you're going to put in, your expiration date, and your CVV number. It will also have your billing address that is on file. And if that does not match the billing address on the card itself, it will not go through. So keep that in mind. If you need to change it, there is a change button on the right-hand side. Make sure you change the address. If everything here looks good, then you're going to go ahead towards the very bottom that says link card. And if everything went smoothly, you're going to see a green checkbox like this one over here on the left-hand side and saying you linked your card, which means that card is now available on your PayPal account. Now, I do have more content showing you how to utilize your PayPal account. So we're going to post the next video right over here on screen so you can keep on learning.